Welcome guys, welcome back to ClayDesk. This is your number one e-learning channel. My name is Syed, and today I'm going to talk about very briefly which AWS certification is the best. Now, you've been pursuing all of the different AWS certifications and you're not sure, right, which one to take, what to do, what is next. So if you're already certified, you may be thinking, all right, which one I'm going to take next? If you're not certified and you're pursuing a certification, then which is the best? So if you're seeking the AWS certification that's widely regarded as the most prestigious, valuable in terms of career opportunities, valuable in terms of earning potential, high salaries, then the best certification that you can pursue or you can obtain is the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional. All right, I'm going to tell you why, and of course, the importance of this particular certification, right? This is, of course, considered one of the top choices, and here's why. First is the depth of knowledge, okay? Now, before you actually get started with the AWS certification or going towards the pro route, right? It requires a deeper understanding of AWS services and architecture compared to the associate level certifications. What this means is that certainly you have come across the entire journey of not just understanding the fundamental AWS services, but how they integrate with other services and tools, including third-party and cross-platform as well. So that's the number one reason why, is because the depth of knowledge. The second reason why it is the best is recognized expertise. Well, wherever you go, if you hold the AWS Solutions Architect Professional Certification, it demonstrates to employers and clients that you possess the expertise needed to provide, design, deploy, scale, and of course, provide reliable solutions. And that's what employers are looking for, and that's what clients are looking for, because they want to be able to save money, okay? So that's the second reason why it is the best certification. And third, of course, the obvious is the career opportunities. Many high-level jobs, such as the senior solutions architect, the cloud architect, or the cloud consultant, for example, they're required to prefer candidates who hold the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional certification, okay? So it opens up a plethora of opportunities for you if you do get to this level. Salary potential, of course, is one of the biggest reasons, right? Because professionals with solutions architect professional certification typically command a higher salary due to their specialized skills and advanced expertise in architecting solutions in AWS. Now, since it is highly valued, right, it is essential to ensure that it aligns with your career goals and gain some hands-on experience before you actually pursue the professional level certification, because you need to be able to create architectures, provide solutions to clients, and a host of other skills that are required before you actually get to this level. Now, typically, it involved understanding customer requirements, designing solutions, scalable solutions, reliable solutions, fault-tolerant solutions, and the architectural design is where the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional excels, okay? Because it meets the customer requirements for scalability, reliability, resiliency, and security, and more importantly, cost effectiveness, okay? And then you have technical leadership, because they provide technical leadership and guidance to development teams, ensuring the architectural best practices followed throughout the development lifecycle. And that's important because even though you're not a developer, but at least you're providing the necessary guidance to those developers, to the dev team, so that they can create an efficient and cost-effective or code, right? Because it doesn't take them long to code, and you want to make sure that they are able to code more efficiently. Next is solutions implementation, because that you may be leading and oversee implementation of design solutions and acting as a project manager. Maybe you have cross teams, virtual teams, or in-house teams, right? That you need to oversee and make sure, and you work closely with dev teams, system administrators, and other stakeholders as well within the company to ensure successful deployment and the operation of the system on AWS, okay? And of course, another thing that the solutions architect professional's important role and responsibility is the optimization and cost management, because you are able to optimize existing infrastructure, the architectures for performance and cost effectiveness, and not to mention reliability, of course, right? And that's important because this is where you excel. And if you're able to design and provide a solution that saves the company money, yes, you are in the limelight. Okay. All right, security and compliance, of course, to ensure that solutions comply with the regular security standards such as HIPAA standards or other regulatory practices. The solutions architect professional, of course, does that, right? Provides the and implements the security protocols, the necessary encryption, the disaster recovery planning, and of course to protect the sensitive data and compliance with other regulatory requirements. And troubleshooting and support is of course with all roles, doesn't matter where you are, because that's an important area that you'll be able to provide advanced troubleshooting. So if something goes wrong, you provide that to complex issues related to AWS infrastructure and services, okay? And you, of course, you work with cross-functional teams, and I mentioned that earlier because that's important, because at this level, you're not just working probably with AWS, but you're also working with Azure, you're working with GCP environments, so you're able to understand how solutions are implemented, okay? So this is what I have for you, which is the best certification is the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below. If you find this content valuable, please give it a thumbs up. Certainly appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Syed, and I'll see you guys next time.